Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add promotion link on the LinkedIn, update your experience and your career progress. For this guys, it is very simple. First of all guys, here you see this is my uh, LinkedIn profile. Okay, now I am simply first refresh it. It asks me that you need to verify and confirm your mail, so I'm just turn it off. And guys, here you see that this is my company name that I'm currently working. Now for example, I am just upgrade my job and I got some promotions. Okay, now guys, you just simply click here. Now here you simply move downward and guys, you go to the option of current position. So guys, here it shows add new position. Now currently uh, this is my title. So what's my title is software engineer, senior software engineer, for example. Okay, so here I am just select senior software engineer, employment time full, and here is my company name. So I am just enter the same company name. Okay, info tag. Now after hit the enter, here you see that it asks you to I am currently working in this role, so you just unchecked and add the current position as of now. Okay, of software engineer. Okay, then you here started the month and the year like 2025. Then guys, simply go downward and click the option of save. Okay, so this is the way that you can update your work profile and your promotion link. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.